Dear students, in the last section we have seen representative coding standards and coding guidelines. In this section we will see code review. Code review for a module is carried out after the module is successfully compiled and all the syntax errors are eliminated. So this code review is the cost effective strategy for reduction in coding errors so that we can produce the high quality code. So there are two techniques for code review. First is code walkthrough and second is code inspection. So code walkthrough is an informal code analysis technique in which after a module has been coded, it is successfully compiled and all the syntax errors are eliminated. So before that, some of the members of the development team are given the code few days before the walkthrough meeting so that the developer can read and understand the code and they can write down the code errors and they can discuss that code error in the walkthrough meeting. So the main objective of the walkthrough are to discover the algorithmic and logical errors in the code. Even though the code walkthrough is an informal analysis technique, still several guidelines have developed over the years. So the guidelines are: the team performing code walkthrough should not be either too big or too small. Ideally, it should be consist of 3 or 7 members. Okay. Next, discussion should be focused on discovery of errors, not to how to fix that discovered error. Okay. And third is to foster cooperation. Avoid the feeling among the engineers that they are being evaluated in the code walkthrough. Managers should not attend the code walkthrough meeting. So this is about code walkthrough. Next is code inspection. In contrast to code walkthrough, the aim of code inspection is to discover the some common types of errors caused due to oversight and improper programming. During code inspection, the code is examined for the presence of certain kinds of errors, and we have to only examine that code. We does not have to execute that code. So that is the major difference in code walkthrough and code inspection. And second thing is, in addition to detecting the commonly made errors, adherence to coding standards is also checked during the code inspection. So the common type of classical programming errors that are done by the developers is listed out and that are checked in the coding inspection. So the common types of error are use of uninitialized variables, non-terminating loops, array indices out of bounds, incompatible assignments, improper storage allocation and delocation, actual and formal parameter mismatch, and jump into loops. So these are the commonly made errors and that errors are examined into the code inspection. So this is about the code review, which consists of two techniques: code walkthrough and code inspection. Thank you.